Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana IAS. I'm Akhil Rajaratnam. So today we'll be discussing a very hot topic which was in the news, that is related to Baba Siddique murder case. So recently the former Maharashtra Minister Baba Siddique was murdered. So his assassination has sparked a complex legal investigation under various provisions. So we'll be discussing which all are the legal provisions involved in this particular case. Alright, so these are the three important legal provisions which was framed by the Maharashtra Police. One is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS 2023. This is the most recent one which was enacted only in 2023. So what is the purpose of BNS? That is to modernize India's criminal laws. Why we have to modernize India's criminal laws? Because earlier we were using IPC only. IPC means Indian Penal Code, that was enacted in 1860. 1860 means it was enacted during the period of Britishers only. So obviously we have to modernize. Why we have to modernize? Because it was not addressing the contemporary crimes. Contemporary crime means what? For example, cyber crime. At that time, cyber crimes was not there. Even terrorism related act was not there. Organized crime was not there. So that is why we enacted BNS. So BNS is one of the legal provision which was enacted by the Maharashtra government. Another one is Arms Act 1959. Why Arms Act was enacted? Because Baba Siddique was murdered using a gun only. So that is why Arms Act was enacted. So what is the purpose of Arms Act? It regulates firearms and ammunition. Regulate in the sense it is not allowing for the possession of the gun, acquisition of the gun, even manufacture or sale of the gun without a license is prohibited in this Arms Act 1959. Another one is Maharashtra Police Act 1951. This is a common state law only. Every state will be having a state police act. For example, if you take Kerala State Police Act is there. Even territories like Delhi, they have a Delhi Police Act is there. So like that way, Maharashtra Police Act is also there. So this is the parent law which is governing all the activities of the state police force in Maharashtra. So these are the three legal provision which was invoked by the Maharashtra police. Another one which was invoked by the court is Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Why? Because one of the accused in this case, he claimed that he is a minor, that is he is only 17 years, that is below 18 years old. So he has to be tried under the Juvenile Justice Act. So these are the important legal provisions involved. Now we will see the most important ones in this. First one is BNS. Which all are the sections in from BNS which is involved in this particular case? One is section 103(1), that is talking regarding unlawful assembly. According to this section, if 5 plus 1, 5 or more than 5 people they are gathering, then their intent is to commit an offense. Their intent is to commit an offense, then the section 103(1) can be invoked. For example, if I'm going with my 5 friends to steal a shop, that is an offense only, right? So at that time the section 103(1) can be invoked. Another one is section 109, that is abetment. Abetment means I need not do the crime, I have to facilitate or I have to support another person to do the crime. For example, if I am giving a gun to someone else and he is going to shoot a person, at that time I will be charged guilty of abetment. So that is section 109. Another one is section 125, that is criminal conspiracy. If three of us, are gathering together and we are conspiring to rob a bank, we are not going to rob a bank, but we are conspiring to rob a bank. At that time, this criminal conspiracy can be invoked. It need not be that the crime need not happen, but even before also this criminal conspiracy can be charged. Another one is section 35, that is common intention. Common intention, again take that murder example itself. If 3 people are there and they are planning to murder someone. They are planning to murder someone. At that time, only one person will be going to shoot that person, right? But still, 3 of us are having the common intention only. So at that time, section 35 can be involved. Okay, all right. So these are the sections of BNS which was involved in this particular case. Next one is Arms Act 1959. Why? Because a gun was used to kill this former MLA. Okay, so section 3 is dealing with possession of firearms. Possession of firearms is not an issue, but if you are possessing it without a valid license, then it can be an issue according to Arms Act 1953. To get a valid license, we have to apply. It's a very huge process. We have to apply through Ministry of Home Affairs only. But without that, if you are possessing it, it can be charged under section 3 of Arms Act 1959. Next one is section 25. Section 25 is dealing with the punishment for this things which are mentioned in section 3. Okay, you are possessing, if you are possessing, you are acquiring anything. So this will be dealing about all these things, and the punishment will be dealt in the section 25. Another one is section 5. Section 5 is dealing with the manufacture or sale of arms. Manufacture or sale of arms. Again, this is also normally legal only, but provided you have a valid license. If you have a valid license to manufacture or sale, then it is not an issue. But without that, if you are selling or manufacturing, you can be charged under section 5. Another one is section 27, use of arms for unlawful purposes. There are many lawful purposes in which we can use them. For example, sporting for shooting purpose and all, we have to get a gun license, and it is actually a lawful purpose only. Here, killing a person is an unlawful purpose only, right? Or maybe threatening a person. All these things are unlawful purpose only. So, if you are doing that, then it can be you can be charged under section 27 of the Arms Act. Okay, so these are the provisions involved in this particular case. Next one is Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children 2015. So why this was invoked, because one of the accused claimed that he is below 18 years. Below 18 years means he will be a minor only. So if he is a minor, his age has to be, we have to validate whether the claim is right. So for that, section 94 is saying that if the documents are not available, we have to go with the bond ossification test. We have to go with the bond ossification test. It's a scientific process in which we can calculate the age of a person using an X-ray scanning. We have done a detailed video regarding this bond ossification test. It will be in our channel and it will be posted in the comment box also. You can go through it. Okay, so these are the important sections which were enacted in this particular Baba Siddique murder case. Hope you understood which all are the legal provisions and what are the sections in that. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.